Donna, what we've tried to do with the home is to create an environment where it's, you know, all nature. Everything's about nature. Fairies, the botanicals in the garden, as many flowers as we could possibly have. So we've planted tons of floral trees. We've got desert cassias, hibiscus, all different types. And I'll show you as we go along. But first, come on inside. So I want to share with you that when we first saw this house 15 years ago, we put an offer on it within 5 minutes, and that's not a joke. Because when we walked in and we saw the completely open space and the beauty of the lake in the back, and just such a feeling of calm and country, while being in the middle of the city, to us that was like, this is the house. And as you can see, the floors are the original ones that we purchased the home with. It's kind of like a soft white baked saltillo, which gives you the opportunity of decorating the home either in a more warm environment or elegant pieces like what we've done. We've tossed in a lot of carved furniture, which is what we like, with Asian accents, as well as antiques that are all a part of that mixed in. So we've got an eclectic feeling, and we've also gone with warm hues of the paint on the walls so that it gives you that warm feeling, but at the same time you've got color. So a lot of earth tones. You've got the turquoise with the I'll take you first into the master bedroom. And when we first purchased the home, they had standard carpeting in here. Well, we didn't like that, so we wanted something different. And we picked out a beautiful hardwood. It's called Macchiato Pecan. And the Macchiato Pecan is basically Brazilian hickory. And what we loved about the flooring here is that after living in a home with hardwood floors back in Coral Gables that were all one tone, that limited you in your decorating style. Again, with all of the different tones in the wood, we're able to put whatever color furniture and whichever lucky family comes into our home, they'll be able to decorate this however they like, and the floor is always going to be It's the most beautiful botanical garden. We were actually awarded one of Wellington's gardens several years ago. So we were provided an award by the garden club. And so yeah, so it's a beautiful place. A lot of nature.